This is your astrologer Sandeep Kataria with my very special monthly readings for you, covering important aspects of life such as career and finance, love, relationship and married life, family, health and education. This video is for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo and Virgo signs. For other signs, you may look up part 2. And now let us begin with Aries sign. This is likely to be a favorable month for Aries natives. During the month, you may want to spend money on luxury items and pleasurable actions. This is okay, but avoid from going overboard with your expenses. Try to save money for your future. Also, do not lend money during this period. There are some possibilities of family-related matters which may cause some tension this month, so remain cool. Regarding finances, things are going to be quite favorable and the inflow of money may become better. Aries natives may do well if they take financial matters seriously and take it in their hands. Those Aries natives who are in jobs will also do well if they keep their things organized and have patience. Business owners will successfully overcome a few obstacles which they are likely to face. However, according to the transit of planets, business owners should treat this as a somewhat mixed time. Good efforts may not give you the proportionate results now, but definitely there is some good opportunity on the way. Students of senior classes are likely to be attentive to their studies without much distraction. They would be quite concerned for their future growth. This month, singles may fall in love with someone and that person may be from the known circle. The relationship is likely to proceed smoothly. Married people may not have much time for each other due to some family matters, but the love will remain intact. This month, planetary movements may cause some minor health issues. Take all precautions to be healthy. During the second half of the month, transit of planets will give better support to your health and you may derive benefits from having a healthy lifestyle. This will be a mixed month for Taurus natives. Those Taurus natives who are in committed relationships might be more concerned about pressing matters relating to self, such as their career prospects, which will leave them with little time to spend with their partners. Also, they may feel shy or hesitant to discuss this with their loved ones. This may even cause a breakup, so it is better to have a heart-to-heart talk with your partner about your insecurities and worries. They will understand you. Married will be quite involved with household chores, so this may give them quite an opportunity to work together with their spouse. Need of the hour is to look after the health of a senior member in the family and heed to their advice. This will help to maintain happiness and prosperity in family life. Your income might remain stable and some natives may get monetary help from a friend or from the organization they work for. Good investments done in the past may appreciate in value. Business owners may feel worried about the competition or shortage of staff. For students, planetary transits are favorable and they may make good progress. Students pursuing professional courses will be motivated to make big achievements keeping in mind their future career. Health may be generally good, barring some minor issues in case of some Taurus natives. Try to avoid crowded areas. Always wear a mask and don't step out unless necessary. If you develop any health problem, consult a physician and get treatment as soon as possible. This will be a mixed month for Gemini natives. A few of the Gemini natives are likely to experience ups and downs this month. For example, you should be prepared to face challenges at the workplace. The period after mid-month may be slightly more favorable. Also, someone in your professional field may be hatching a conspiracy against you. But with your intelligence and foresight, you will be able to conquer the challenges easily. Business owners would be happy with the performance of some of their skilled employees. Therefore, they may consider some monetary or non-monetary reward for them. Looking at their finances, this month there are chances of high household expenses and there could be monetary loss for business owners. Also, there are chances that some of you may take some loan against the wishes of your family members. The Gemini students at graduate and postgraduate level may make new plans for further education or relating to their careers. If the plan is to study abroad, this month may be favorable. Family life will continue to be harmonious as long as you can spend time with your family members. Children will demand all the love and attention from you and you will feel very nice about them. Some Gemini natives may sell off one of their properties while some natives may spend money on home renovation, etc. Married natives are advised to be a bit cautious as some heated arguments are likely to take place between two of you. However, make sure that your children are not affected by this acrimony. But a more favorable scenario is expected in the lives of Gemini natives in love. You will give love and receive love. This is going to be a favorable month for Gemini natives' health prospects. Your good health can help you perform well and deal with the various adversities in life. Before proceeding ahead with the rest of the forecast, here is an important announcement. This forecast is a general one for your zodiac sign and is based on the transit of planets. If you want specific astrological advice from us based on your individual horoscope, you are welcome. The individual predictions will be based on your unique horoscope, position of planets, their strengths, dasha system and transit. Just call us and book an appointment for consultation. And yes, that will be a paid consultation. And now let us continue with the rest of the forecast for the month. This month is expected to usher in some changes in the routine life of Cancer natives. Some natives are likely to feel love for someone in their workplace and those who are in a relationship may further strengthen their bonds. If it is so, be ready to receive some pressure from the family to make plans for marriage. Married natives may have some problems due to their partner's stubborn nature. However, just ignore it as this would not last long. Traders and sales professionals may face some new challenges in selling their products. To boost their income, business owners and self-employed professionals may have to work harder. However, your old customers will be loyal to you and they will come back for good quality products. During this period, do not overshoot your budget and avoid spending on luxury items. Overall, it is advisable to save money keeping in mind the uncertain times. Last week of May, the business conditions may improve. The employed natives may feel frustrated, but their continued dedication will win them praise from their boss. Students pursuing higher education in technical subjects will try to convince their parents about letting them take admission in foreign universities. No major health issues are seen if you are already in good shape. The elderly may suffer from age-related problems. This month, Leo natives will have to remain careful at their workplace, especially if they work in the field. Even a little negligence can get you into trouble. This means you will have to act very sensibly in terms of your career. Although the transit of Rahu and Mercury in your 10th house of profession will make you bright and clever. Because of this, there may be some sense of dissatisfaction among the colleagues. Therefore, you will have to use your intelligence and try to adapt to the situations to survive. Also, you should not get involved in office politics. At the same time, do not disrespect any senior or important person during this time. Otherwise, you may lose your reputation. After May 14, some natives may see an increase in their responsibilities and duties at their workplace. Let us now talk about money and finance. This month is likely to bring in positive results. Mars is placed in your 11th house, due to which you can be lucky to receive an increase in income. Also, after May 29, Venus will transit into your 11th house, due to which working natives can witness a boost in their income from their profession. In case of some Leo natives, organizing some auspicious events or social functions is also a possibility. Overall, Leo natives are likely to get mixed results with regard to their family life. Some of the family members may go far away from you. This is seen because of Ketu's presence in the 4th house. The good news is that this period can be very good for married natives, while those who are in a relationship will have to be careful. With regards to health, Leo natives need to take special care of their health as well as their spouse's health. Right from the beginning of this month, you need to make your daily routine healthy and stay health conscious throughout the period. This month, Virgo natives should be ready to witness some ups and downs in their lives. One of the prominent features of the current transit is that Jupiter, the lord of your 4th and 7th houses, is sitting in the 6th house this month. Therefore, Virgo natives may have to face some difficulties with business partners, domestic matters, and the harmony with spouse may also get affected. In case you are into partnership business, take decisions very carefully this month. If you have been thinking of making some big changes in business, then it would be advisable to wait for some more time. This month seems to be stable in terms of finances. The planet Saturn will remain in your 5th house and aspect your 11th and 2nd house, which will lead to better stability in your income. During this period, your energy as well as output at the workplace can also increase. The atmosphere at the workplace will remain charged and you will feel energetic within yourself. Thanks to the favorable transit of the planets, business owners will be able to do better than their competitors. As a business owner, you may also try to take some commendable steps to keep your employees happy. With Jupiter in your 6th house, you will have the support of trustworthy employees and you are less likely to get cheated. This is a good time to try to achieve desirable outcomes in business. Virgo is a sign ruled by Mercury, and Sun and Venus will transit your 8th house. So there may be secret problems. Be regular with your physical activities to keep yourself fit. If suffering from any disease, don't forget to take prescribed medicines and get sufficient rest. Friends, that was my forecast according to your zodiac sign. In case you want to watch this forecast in Hindi, then the link to the video is given in the description box below. Friends, please do like and share this video. After subscribing this channel, also click the bell icon. I wish you a very happy and prosperous month ahead. Thank you for watching this video.